We also depend on animals for wools and silk that we use in making our garments. Wool is the soft hair of the body we found in the body of sheep. They used to make warm clothes. We use them in winters. And all the caterpillars that makes who leaves the caterpillar, we know, lives on the leaves, and they made with their saliva the we made the saliva the silk. The case is called a cocoon. So all the caterpillar before make they are covered with a case or cover. They are known as cocoon. Silk is made from the cocoon of a caterpillar called silkworm. That is cocoon. They made silk, and this is the silkworm. When they are covered with the case, they called cocoon, and these cocoons make the silk we use to make our clothes. Another important thing of another help of animal, they work for us, like bullocks, buffaloes and camels are used to plow the fields. Camels in the desert region and buffaloes and bullocks in the field or in the land areas, they plow or dig the soil and make them very fertile. They also pull carts to carry people and many things. Donkeys, mules, ponies carry loads. Elephants also used to carry logs from forest. So the some animal who work for us, like bullocks, buffaloes, camels, uh, donkey, mules, ponies, elephants, etc. And another important thing we get from animals is leather. Leather is hugely used in making bags, shoes, purse, belts, wallets, handbags, and so on. It is made from the animal of skin, mostly the skin of cow and buffaloes.